Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today we are going to be doing a meditation to connect with the Divine Mother for protection and to remove blocks of insecurity. Bringing your hands together in Anjali Mudra at the heart. Take a nice deep breath in to lengthen through the spine. Exhale to relax deeper into your body. 2 more like that. We're going to begin our Kundalini Yoga practice today with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo, I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to your mind, to your body, to your soul. Take a nice deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Keeping your eyes closed, keeping your awareness on your inner landscape. We'll begin the first part of our meditation by bringing our hands into Gyan Mudra. Index finger under thumb. The other 3 fingers are straight, resting your wrists down on your knees. Lengthen through the spine, relax your shoulders back and down, and tuck chin to chest. And coming to a long, deep breathing here. And now what you're going to focus on is the spiral current of energy from the primordial womb of creation. Spiraling and twirling, everlasting. As you continue to focus on the spiral of energy moving out from the beginning of time, finding its way into your body and moving through you, you can focus on the spiral of energy as it begins at your root chakra at the base of your spine and spirals up and out your crown chakra. As you relax and release and surrender to this divine flow of energy, letting the Divine Mother protect you, uplift you, and guide you. Breathing in and breathing out. Removing Gyan Mudra. Take a peek at the video here. You're going to bring your hands up, cupping your eyes, and imagine beaming light out from your third eye space, continuing with long, deep breathing. Concentrating your energy, concentrating your focus. And now we'll begin to chant Sa Ta Na Ma, birth, life, death, and rebirth. This signifies the cycle of life. Sa Ta Na Ma, 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 Sa Ta Na Ma. Deep breath in and out. Bringing your hands back down, taking Gyan Mudra. We're gonna move into a little Kundalini Bhakti remix. So the mantra is Adi Shakti, Namo Namo, Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Take a deep breath in to begin. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mada Shakti, Namo Namo. Take a nice deep breath in. Lengthening all the way up to the crown of your head. Feeling the light of the Divine Mother primordial force connecting to you now, protecting you, allowing your confidence to rise, filling you with feelings of pride and wisdom and security. Feeling into your body, feeling into the space around your body. Seeing if you notice a little shift of the energy. A little bit of turn it up. All right, we'll bring our hands together. Anjali Mudra at the heart. We end with the mantra Satnam. It means truth is my essence. Deep breath in to begin. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time, energy, and practice with me today. If you have enjoyed this Divine Mother devotional practice, please let me know in the comment section below or leave me a like and let me know that you're here. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye for now.